Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm genuinely excited about today's video because one of our amazing subscribers asked a great question. Are there any beginner-friendly finance courses we can take right now? I realized I hadn't made a video on this topic in a while, so I went ahead and found 3 valuable and accessible courses that can help you build solid finance skills and even land internships, job interviews, or just level up your resume. Let's jump straight into the top 3 recommendations. At number 1, we have the Careers in Finance course by the Corporate Finance Institute, CFI. Now, a lot of people are drawn to finance for its high-paying roles, but few realize just how many different career paths exist within finance. This course gives you a clear overview of those options and how they fit into a company's life cycle, from startup to IPO or exit. It's offered by CFI, a reputed platform. It's free. It takes just 1 hour to complete. So if you're just starting your finance journey, this is a no-brainer. Next up, let's talk Excel, a non-negotiable skill in finance. You must know basics like VLOOKUP, pivot tables, and SUMIFs, plus more advanced formulas like index, match, offset, and nested IFs. If you're not confident with Excel, here are some resources I recommend. LearnVern's Excel course, 7 hours, great if you're comfortable with Hindi. Problem Solving with Excel by PwC on Coursera, 2 weeks, good for English learners. Finally, at number 3, the Private Equity and Venture Capital course on Coursera. This one is taught by professors from Bocconi University, and it covers advanced topics like company valuation, which is usually taught in MBAs. Here's the trick to get it free. Click Enroll for free, then select the audit option. No certificate, but full access. The course takes about 1 week to complete, and the 4th module on valuation is absolute gold. So that's it, my top 3 finance course recommendations for beginners or anyone looking to upgrade their skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.